You might be wondering why we have tubs of water setting next to the water garden. This is city water. In other words, chlorinated water. If you let chlorinated water set for 24 hours
in the heat,
in the heat, it'll off gas and it's no longer considered chlorinated. So
then we don't have to treat our water.
That's a whole lot cheaper than getting a chemical to treat it to get rid of the chlorine. Now we can plug our spinner back in. Try not to wash that light, wash the solar light into the pond.
I've done that before.
Okay.
One more. Then we'll dump these upside down to dry out or see if we need to put more water, but I think that topped it off. Looked like it topped it off. Yep. Yay. Okay, so we'll flip these over. So if it did rain by chance, there's no mosquito catchers. And then when they're dry, I'll stack them. Huh?
The chives smell good in the heat.
Oh yeah, chives are delicious. All right, go plug that in. Oh, that looks nice. Fish are checking it out. So tomorrow, if everything goes well, we'll clean the filter, and do we want to make a video of that one?
Yeah, we can. And like and subscribe. This is just some basic water garden maintenance.